Hi everyone, Mia here from Truli Wetsuits. I'm here at Divers Den in Tobermory, Ontario. It's late September, but the air is still kind of warm, a little bit of a gray day, kind of windy these days, but we are going to do a dive. I've had an awesome summer up here, just doing some research on cold water gear and prepping new wetsuits. And today, I've just received some prototypes. So I've been listening to what you guys have been asking for and kind of paying attention to what people have been interested in. So in this box, I've got a prototype for a 7mm wetsuit. Pretty excited about that. I also have some of the original designs, but in all other sizes. So when I first started, I was only limited to 6 sizes, and as you know, we now have 21 sizes. So my goal is to make sure all those sizes are represented for each of the style. That's kind of what I've been working on these days. So let's take a look and see how these are. They are also with the new products, same design, but using the eco-friendly materials. It's just started to rain a bit here, but that's okay. And so one thing to mention, I know with the 7mm, I basically just wanted to give it a go, see how it tried. The manufacturer told me there are some limitations on the design, so I just kept with the same pattern, but I will be presenting a new style pattern for the 7mm when it comes out. So these are just the prototypes. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, I'll just put you here. It's raining, but that's okay. We're divers. We don't care about the rain. Always careful with opening these ones. Oh, just opens right away. Good. So when I get my big productions in, as you know, I make sure that they have very limited plastic wrapping. These ones are from the main site, so they are actually wrapped in plastic, which I reuse. So kind of a big thing that I talk about with the manufacturer a lot. Okay, here we go. So what we've got, so this is my original design. Everybody loves the Truli knee, and this is in size determined and in the eco-friendly material. It looks beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna get some testers, people trying that one out very soon. I also got, use this plastic. So this one they told me was going to be a little bit different. This is the original green capri with the eco-friendly material. So they didn't have the cool orange, so they have the black inside. I don't know, what do you guys think with the black fleece lining on this bright color one? So this is size and power. I think it looks great. A little bit of difference, but I think ultimately the design looks really good. Okay, we'll get some testers trying that one out. All right, here we go with the 7mm. Okay, so one thing they told me, down, this is, wow, super cute. So one difference that they told me they had to do with this one because of the thickness is we couldn't use the glide skin on the front bit, but I can see it still looks quite cool. So we did put some zippers on the side on the wrist. Let's see how that works out. Also on the legs. Again, I wasn't too sure about these things, but this was the recommendation from them. Feels good. All right, I'm gonna try it on and go for a dive. I'll let you guys know how it goes, okay? Thanks for watching. See you soon.